Welcome to the world of Forever Aloe drinks, where health meets deliciousness. Our range includes Aloe Vera Gel, Aloe Berry Nectar, Aloe Peaches, and Aloe Mango, each crafted to offer unique benefits and flavors. Take a look at our vibrant collection of Forever Aloe drinks. Each product is designed to cater to different tastes and health needs, ensuring there's something for everyone. Let's dive deeper into Forever Aloe Vera Gel. This drink is a powerhouse of nutrients, offering a pure and refreshing experience. Forever Aloe Vera Gel is a pure aloe drink with 99.7% aloe vera gel. Sourced from our fields in Texas and the Dominican Republic, it's rich in vitamin C, sugar-free, and preservative-free, making it a healthy choice for everyone. The Forever Aloe Vera Gel works wonders for detoxification, nutrition absorption, nourishment, and more. It contains 12 types of vitamins, 18 minerals, 20 amino acids, and other beneficial compounds. Enjoy the numerous benefits of Forever Aloe Vera Gel, from boosting your immune system to aiding in detoxification and reducing high blood pressure. It's a natural way to enhance your health and well-being. Next, we have the Forever Aloe Berry Nectar, a delightful blend of aloe vera and berry flavors, perfect for those who love a fruity twist. Forever Aloe Berry Nectar is often considered a blessing for women, offering a unique combination of health benefits and delicious taste. The key ingredients of Forever Aloe Berry Nectar include apple juice concentrate, aloe vera gel, and cranberry juice concentrate, creating a refreshing and nutritious drink. Forever Aloe Berry Nectar supports a healthy digestive and immune system, helps in cleansing the urinary tract, and offers relief from various ailments, making it a versatile health drink. Now, let's explore Forever Aloe Peaches, a delicious and nutritious drink that combines the goodness of aloe vera with the sweet taste of peaches. Forever Aloe Peaches is made with 84.3% pure inner leaf aloe vera gel and is rich in vitamin C. It helps maintain natural energy levels, supports digestion, and contains no added preservatives. Forever Aloe Peaches provides numerous benefits, from improving skin problems and eye vision to aiding in children's growth and offering a refreshing fruity taste. Finally, we have Forever Aloe Mango, a tropical delight that combines aloe vera with the rich taste of mango, offering a refreshing and healthy beverage option. Forever Aloe Mango features 86% inner leaf aloe vera gel and natural mango puree, providing a delicious and nutritious drink with no added preservatives. Forever Aloe Mango is a great source of vitamin C, gluten-free, and helps reduce blood pressure while increasing metabolism. It's a perfect choice for those seeking a healthy lifestyle. To get the most out of your Forever Aloe drinks, remember to pour them into a glass before drinking, refrigerate after opening, and recycle the bottles. Share the goodness with friends and enjoy the health benefits together.